Hold on, this isn't that type of video. What's up nerds, Jamocha here, and today I have the Touch 2 C5 earbuds for review. Now, on the box, the claims are large battery capacity, IPX8 rating, and hi-fi sound. Now, when I do my headphone reviews, I usually focus on three key areas: design, functionality, and sound. But before we dive into these, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss our content. The Touch 2 C5 design is fairly clean and straightforward. They feature an all-black design on the case and the earbuds. In fact, black is the only color used except for the touch of red on the ear caps. The design is quite beautiful. Now, the case itself is quite large. That's because it has a 3500 milliamp battery stuffed in there. I'll get more into that later. The earbuds have great design as well. They're a little bit slippery because of the sleek and slick design, but that's not anything to worry about. In the front is where the charging ports are. Yes, I said ports. It has a USB and USB micro. There are a couple of key features included with the Touch 2 C5. The first being IPX8 rating. Now, slapping IPX8 rating on a box and actually being waterproof are two different things. This would be amazing if these actually would allow me to take a swim and listen to music, but that's not the case. Every time I submerge these in water, they would turn off. Now, they would turn back on every time, so these are more splash proof than waterproofing. Another great feature is the 3500 milliamp battery. You might be thinking, that's a pretty large battery for a pair of earbuds, and that would be, but these also double as a battery pack. So in a pinch, you could give your phone a quick boost of juice. Another very useful feature. As with most modern earbuds, they have a touch panel for controls. Now, in order for the controls to respond consistently to your touch, you need to place your whole fingertip on the panel. After using them for a little bit, I finally got the hang of it. Now, the earbuds last about 4 to 5 hours on a single charge, which is average for earbuds these days. The earbuds take about 1.5 hours to charge, and the case itself takes about 3.5 hours. Now, everything I've covered up to this point has been pretty good for the Touch 2 C5. And the sound is the last area to cover and arguably the most important. So, with all that said, let's break it down. As with a lot of budget headphones out there, these have heavy bass included. If you're a bass lover, you will love that. However, the bass is a bit muddy and doesn't come across quite clear. Now, the vocals, however, do come through pretty good. Although not exactly clean, they are pretty good. It could be the best aspect of the sound. The highs and mids don't come across all that well and have a flat, dull sound. But overall, I think the sound is passable. The Touch 2 C5 comes in a sleek, modern, well-designed package. I do wish they were truly waterproof. That would have made these very easy as a go-to pair of earbuds. The 3500 milliamp built-in battery pack is a huge benefit to anyone who wants extra juice on the go. For a $50 pair of earbuds that are splash proof and double as a battery pack, I would recommend these earbuds to anyone who would enjoy the extra battery life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. And don't forget to hit that like button also. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Stay nerdy.
What is